guys, welcome back to our channel, the Sophia and Callie show. Stinchies. And it's Callie's. I'm doing my slime review collection with all of my slimes. Wait. So let's get started. This is my first time slime, and I call it party slime like Sophia's. And I have two big collections. One at the end, I'm going to show you my big giant collection and my big giant slime. But we're not gonna have to. It feels weird because I never played with it for a long time. It's not that stretchy, but yeah, let's move into the next one. So after this, we're gonna show you my big one of these ones, like all of them. But yeah, so these ones are like really stretchy, and some of them have these. All of them have these bands, but some of them don't. This is the pink one. There's clear ones, and they're made out of slime. It's just like dried slime, and you can fit it around your hand. But yeah, so this one's really glittery and really stretchy. So let's just move into the next one. These are all of them of the collection of these ones. So we have this green one, a black one, blue, like a toothpaste color, pink, orange, light green, white, dark blue, like medium or something, pink, blue. I like whitish, greenish, orange, silver, purple, gold, pink again, red, orange, blue, turquoise, yellow, reddish, pinkish, yellow, again yellow, and purple. So yeah, I'll show you them later. So this is a homemade slime out of the soap. It's like been a couple months, but it's not still stretchy. So I put glitter in it. See? You see that little tiny bit of glitter? It's like, you can even put this on your body too. Except it's a homemade slime. A lot of soap, and I just use clear soap. But it was supposed to be all yellow, but now it just turned this color from the glitter for some reason. But because I'm gonna turn it upside down so you can see all the glitter. Okay. The slimes that I showed you earlier, I didn't make them. But this is the only one I made. No, I didn't. I had two more. I didn't make this one. I combined slimes with this one. So, yeah. So we have this slime. It's like a yellow slime with stuff, like fruits in it. See? Well, it was before I got them, it was supposed to be, and I have more slimes than Sophia, I think. Yes, I do. And all of the slimes that I'm about to show you right now is really clear. They have stuff in it. Some of them don't have stuff in it, but some of them do. Only one of them doesn't have it. So yeah. Now we're gonna move on to the next one. So now we have this one. Wait. Hold on. So now we have this green one. I don't really like this one, but at least it's still slime. It's really hard. Oh. It's like hard. Stuff are falling behind here. But it feels like you're playing with Play-Doh, except really hard. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the next slime. So we have this purple slime. It's supposed to be purple, but now it just turned clear for some reason. Because the purple one was really clear. So we're going to... Hold on really quick. Okay, sorry about that. But this is a really... Sorry, that's just someone. Okay, so this is a really clear one. And like, see, if you just go like this, it's all clear. But if you go like this, it's not clear. So, yeah, we're going to move on to the next one. There's one of them that I really like. But, so yeah, sorry if you hear background, but I don't think you'd hear it. So first, let me just do this. Sorry if it's taking for me forever to do this, but so I have these ones. It's like a foamy one. I like these ones because look, you could put this your finger in the smoother one and put your finger. Listen. It feels really weird, but yeah. Hold on. I really like this one because like it has a lot of stuff in it. And by the way, I didn't tell you all the names of the slimes. I just don't really name them, but yeah. I'm just gonna name them all party because like they all have a lot of stuff in common. They have a lot of stuff. So I can move into the next one, which is this one. Same thing except this side to that and this side to that. Another party slime again. Okay, this is not supposed to be in there. It's really crunchy and feels really weird. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next one. It's this one. It's this really pink slime. It's really, feels really weird. But same thing as this one, this green one. So, this slime feels like this slime, but I don't really like this. But so I'm just gonna move this one because I don't like the feeling of it. This is what's in it. Moving to the next one. I'm doing this only once. So this one I really like is because it has nothing in it. And I'm still wearing a bracelet though. Look at that. It's a pickle. Just put them in any. Okay. So I really like this one because it's really clear. I'm gonna make a little swirl. Boop. Put it back in the thing. Okay, now we're gonna move into the next one. So this slime I'm doing, sorry if I'm not doing this thing, but yeah. Okay. So this one, these one have the weird stuff, like the little fishy bold things. I'm trying to cover it so it doesn't get out. It feels really... If I put more of these, it's just going to fall out when I pick it up. But it's going to be really crunchy. It has to be like a bigger slime to do this. So, we can move on to the next one. So this slime is technically another party slime, except this they have like all the stuff this one's really squishy and it has this LOL. And just the purple. Oh my. Okay. So this one has a lot of texture to it. And yeah, feels like cotton candy. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. So, just move it to the next slime. So we have this slime. Sorry if you hear a lot of whispering. Keep flicking things behind this. This is a different one. It just looks like the same thing because I just wanted to make it matching. I'm gonna try to get all this stuff out, but yeah, I'll see you when I'm done. So I took the things all out. There's still slime in there because it's really hard to take out. So then I did this. But there's still a little some in here. But look how cool this thing looks. It looks really cool. You know, I should have to throw away these. Just kidding. It feels really weird. Actually, no it doesn't. I don't know why I say that. Ugh. But, yeah. So, somebody stole my iPad and making TikToks now. And she's really crazy. But yeah. So we have this. Hold on. This one's the blue. And you know what? I don't want to make this video too long. So I'm not going to do the other collection because... And then this girl earlier, she literally just has this whoa face for some reason. Like this. So I'm only going to show you one of them because I don't want to make the video long. But Fia's going to pick one of them or something. Get off. Okay. Do this one. This is another one that has nothing in it. It's really... Ooh. I just messed it up. Oh, look at that. Well, see you later. These are the last two, but I'm not going to play with them. I'll open them for you. This is like a pink one, but they're really sticky. But, yeah. So this is like a cotton candy slime, as you can see in the title. And if you, my TikTok of showing this and showing how to do this too. So go check it out. This is another one that's really sticky. But yeah. Now I'll show you the crazy art one that I got for my birthday. 3-pound slime. It's really heavy. It's not that heavy, but purple, orange, pink. Pink. I don't really like this pink, but Fia likes this. My mom likes this one, but when you take it out and put it back in, it's really hard to put it back in. And then I like this purple one because it's my favorite color. I like this color. My mom likes this color. My cousin likes this color. And our little cousin likes all of these colors. So that's one thing that's really cool. But yeah, so bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and check out Aphia's slime collection video. And hit that like button and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Bye!